loves, welcome to Unique Makes by Christina. Today I have a small Walmart Valentine haul to share with you. So let's go ahead and check out what I was able to find. Okay, the first thing I did find were these heart containers, and you get 24 pieces. And I know they do have like a confession heart containers. I didn't get to find at that one Walmart I was at, so I did have these ones that I did find. Look at that. And these are super cute. I did haul some of these on Temu, but let me go ahead and check this one out real quick. Let me open one. Okay, look at this one. So this comes, it's like a little off pink. So it's a light pink. Oh wow, this is real nice. Yeah, so it comes out open like that. This is a little bigger than what I got from Temu. So this is actually really, really nice. Now this would be good for gifting or even storing your little beads and stuff like that, which is what I plan to do with it. But yeah, really nice. Do love that. And like I said, you do get 24 of them. And the ones I saw online was the red, and I guess this is like a light pink. So red and pink, and like they do have a confessional heart one that was in different pastel colors, but I was able to find those, so I got these two. Now another thing I found were these shaped classroom exchange cards, and these were 97 cents. So I did get the retro because this would be good for like your 80s and 90s swaps. And then I did get this one. This would be nice for your retro swaps or even the kawaii swaps. And I did get the food one also, which is also will be nice. So let's go ahead and look at these. So let's check this one out. And this one you get, it's a 32 count. Oh wow, these are huge. Look at that. So you do get the game controller. You got the cassette tape. You even got the skateboard. And these are Valentine cards, so it does have stuff in the back. Look at that, you got the lightning. But how cute would this be for gifting and even using it as embellishments? So I got that one, and this one is I said like the 80s, 90s. So that one's really, really cute. And 97 cents, can't beat it. So I also have this one, which is the food one. Let's look at this one. Oh wow, oh, these actually also would look good on cards. You got the soy and the sushi. Oh, I love that. You got the boba. Love, love, love. You have the dinosaur nugget. Oh, that's actually pretty funny. And then you do have the taco. How cute is that? So yeah, you get those in that pack. And this one's also a 32. And then the next one here is the retro, which same as the game one. Both of these could be used for the 80s, 90s. So let's look at this one here. Okay, you got the smiley face. Looks like you get, yeah, 8 of them. The smiley, you get that one. Like I said, these are actually really huge. Yeah, you can eliminate them. Real nice. Love that. And look at the cutie patootie bear. So yeah, this is a great buy. 97 cents, guys. So don't sleep on it. Another thing I hauled were these mini plain packs, and you get 8 packs. I like this because they're like the Halloween. That is actually really, really awesome. And what it is just a coloring page and crayons. So those who love Halloween like I do, and love, or should I say, does love the love of Valentine, this is perfect. Look at that. You get a little coloring book. You do get some crayons to go ahead and color. But that was really, I like that. That's cute. All this stuff I'm getting is for crafting. So none of it is actually for, it's crafting and gift giving for Valentine's and Valentine's. Next thing I hauled were these pony beads, but if you look at them, they are actually hearts, and they go up and down. And this one has a red, pink, does have it in clear and in solid. Love that. Another thing I have here, some regular pony beads to go with the hearts. So I got that one, and this is just the pink and red mix. Love it. So hauled the bubble hearts. You do get 12 pieces. I hauled it because I do like the blue and the green. Like I said, you do get 12 pieces in there. So I got those. And next thing I have here are the rainbow gel pen, and you get 8 of them. And look at that. I got that because of the rainbow. How cute is that? Love it. So I got those. And I also have a project in mind that I got to paint. I need some pink paint. So this one is actually like almost like an AB fit. It got a shine to it. So I do like this paint. I've bought some other ones, so that one's the pink. And then lastly, I have the sticker pack from I think American Greetings, right? Yeah, American Greetings. And look at that. You get 620 stickers. So you get these packs there, and you also get those. So I got this for gifting. But yeah, that's pretty much my little haul that I wanted to share with you. Make sure you leave a comment. Let me know if there's anything that you have hauled. I am in the search for the XO. If anyone has a UPC for that, please leave it in the comment below. I will be truly grateful because I am looking for those. But yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what you found, what you're looking for, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification so you do know when I do upload another video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.